The asceticism of intellectual sacrifice and choice captures the moment, when the mind ceases to be a mere accumulator of knowledge and becomes an arena of ethical trial. Choice here emerges as a radical rejection of intellectual comfort. It is a self-limitation in pursuit of secure dogma, opening the path to genuine honesty. The formation of an autonomous system of influence marks the birth of an ontological vertical. The intellect, having achieved self-sufficiency, becomes the reference point for adjacent systems. Its influence spreads through the phenomenon of metaphysical resonance. The subject creates their own gravitational field of meanings, where every other system is compelled to synchronize or to dissolve into nothingness.